Accessibility in learning means ensuring that educational materials, platforms, and experiences are inclusive and accessible to all learners, regardless of their abilities or disabilities. Removing barriers and providing accommodations allows individuals with diverse needs to fully participate and benefit from the learning process. Universal Design for Learning, or UDL, is an approach that promotes inclusive design from the outset. It involves designing learning experiences and materials that can be accessed, understood, and engaged with by a wide range of learners. UDL principles emphasize multiple means of representation, engagement, and expression to accommodate different learning styles and abilities. Learning materials, including textbooks, documents, presentations, and multimedia content, should be created in accessible formats. This includes providing alternative text for images, captions for videos, descriptive audio, structured headings, and properly formatted documents that can be accessed by screen readers. Accessible materials enable learners with visual or hearing impairments to engage with the content. Assistive technologies such as screen readers, speech-to-text software, captioning tools, and adaptive hardware play a crucial role in supporting learners with disabilities. Educational platforms and materials should be compatible with these technologies, allowing learners to access and interact with the content effectively. Online learning platforms, websites, and digital content should adhere to web accessibility standards, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. This ensures that individuals with disabilities, including visual, hearing, motor, or cognitive impairments, can navigate, interact with, and understand the digital learning environment. Providing captions or transcripts for audio and video content is essential for learners with hearing impairments. It also benefits learners who prefer reading or have difficulties understanding spoken language. Captions and transcripts should be accurate, synchronized with the audio or video, and clearly presented. Assessments should be designed to accommodate diverse learners. Providing alternative assessment formats, such as oral exams, written assignments, or interactive projects, allows learners to demonstrate their knowledge and skills in ways that align with their abilities. The design of learning platforms and interfaces should be intuitive, easy to navigate, and accessible to individuals with visual impairments or motor disabilities. Features like keyboard navigation, clear labeling, color contrast, and adjustable font sizes support a more inclusive user experience. Encouraging inclusive communication and collaboration within learning environments is essential. Providing options for multiple communication channels, such as written discussions, audio recordings, or video conferencing, allows learners to participate in ways that suit their preferences and abilities. Institutions and educators should offer appropriate support services and accommodations to learners with disabilities. This may include providing assistive technologies, note-taking support, sign language interpreters, extended time for assessments, or accessible learning materials tailored to individual needs. Regular evaluation and feedback from learners with diverse needs can help identify areas for improvement in accessibility. Institutions and educators should seek input from learners and make necessary adjustments to ensure ongoing accessibility in learning environments. By prioritizing accessibility in learning, educational institutions create inclusive and equitable environments that empower all learners to reach their full potential. Accessibility benefits not only learners with disabilities, but also enhances the learning experience for everyone.